So today I made breakfast for my family and I thought, why not post it on my YouTube channel? I actually don't quite post such videos, but hell yeah, this is my channel and I can post whatever the hell I want. So let's get started. So first you have to cut the sausages into very thin slices. So now you have to cut the salami vertically as thin as you can manage. And eggs. Put some butter in a pan and spread it evenly. Next, put some salami and sausages in the pan. Fry the ingredients nicely till they become slightly brown. Try not to put it in one single place. Try to scatter it as much as you can. So tip number 1, never let your hair loose while cooking. Like, for obvious reasons. But I have to look good in this video, so I have kept it this way. But never let your hair loose. Now put some salt in the eggs and then beat the eggs nicely. I'm so sorry for all the background noises, but I couldn't help it as there's some construction going on outside. So I'm so sorry. Now pour the mixture into the pan and spread it properly. I am right now putting oregano and piri piri, but you are free to put anything. And ta-da, you're done! I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. I am Madhuri Desai signing off.